This welding robot workstation is work for weld frame scaffolding, ensured a high performance in long-term operation. Dual position alternately work with excellent efficiency, and the tooling's adjustable to meet your requirements. How does this workstation welding so beautiful? This is a good question. Jinshi welding machine is proven to be leading professional scaffolding, formwork, and welding robot manufacturer. Jinshi owns many invention patents and awarded as high-tech enterprise. To help solve production problem is our eternal pursuit.